Hello everyone, welcome to Adul's Food World. Today we are going to make Mysore Pak, and for that we need 1 cup besan, 1 cup sugar and 1 cup melted ghee. We have taken a pan and we have heated it. We will roast the besan flour. You need to get a roasted aroma, but we don't need to burn the besan. We don't need to change the color. We'll get a nutty flavor, fragrance in that. So now this is done, we will switch off the flame and we will transfer it to the container. I've transferred the roasted besan into a cup. Now we will mix it with half part of ghee. We have to mix it in such a way that it doesn't have any lumps, and it needs to be a smooth paste. So now it's almost mixed. You can, if you see any lumps bigger, then you can just press it with your finger so that it gets mixed well. We have taken a rectangle bowl and we have greased it with ghee. Once the Mysore Pak is ready, we will transfer it into this bowl. I have heated the kadai and we will be adding sugar, 1 cup sugar and 1/4 cup water. Let it get mixed well, and sugar needs to be dissolved and we need to wait until we get a single string consistency. So the sugar is melted completely. So you will get a single string consistency here. Now we will be adding the mixed besan and ghee mixture into this. When it gets thick, add the remaining ghee. Little by little. And mix it. We will add all the ghee. If you see, you will get a alwa type of consistency in this. Doesn't get stick. Now it's time to transfer it to the bowl. Now we will be transferring it to a bowl. Let it rest for some time. We'll keep it for resting for around 15 minutes. Let it cool and then we will cut into slices. Now it's around 15 minutes is over. So we have transferred it from the bowl to plate. We will cut it. We are ready with our Mysore Pak. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel.